Why is it so hard to talk to people with other points of view? Our cognitive biases distort our perceptions of ourselves and others, such that we see ourselves as caring and other groups as aggressive. This way of thinking is evident in today's political context. We are moral, they are corrupt. We are motivated by love, they are driven by hate. We are safeguarding a country that they are trying to destroy. I harness psychological knowledge to help people turn down the heat of political discord. When our emotions are triggered by a lawn sign, a bumper sticker, or a hat, our individual and collective well-being are on the line as we lose sleep, friendships, and faith in our fellow Americans. My book, Facing the Fracture: How to Navigate the Challenges of Living in a Divided Nation, offers strategies to help us adopt healthy media habits, overcome our own prejudices, and participate meaningfully in our communities. And in doing so, we can bolster our health, our bonds, and our democracy. And that's my research in 60 seconds.